Luxury, power, prestige. These are just a few words that describe Bugatti, a name synonymous with unparalleled craftsmanship and extreme performance. But have you ever wondered what the most expensive Bugattis in the world are? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 Bugatti models that redefine the word luxury. From jaw-dropping design to staggering price tags, let's dive into the world of ultimate automotive royalty. Stay tuned because number 1 is truly mind-blowing. Number 5. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus, a car that made headlines by breaking the 300 mph barrier. With a quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine that delivers a breathtaking 1,577 horsepower, this beast can hit speeds most of us can only dream of. Its sleek, aerodynamic design, combined with cutting-edge technology, makes it as beautiful as it is powerful. At $3.9 million, this isn't just a car, it's a statement. Number 4. Bugatti Divo, priced at an astonishing $5.8 million. This car is designed for agility and handling, with a lighter frame and improved aerodynamics compared to the Chiron. With a 1,479 horsepower engine, the Divo isn't just fast, it hugs corners with precision, giving drivers a more thrilling experience. Its distinctive design, including a dorsal fin and a more aggressive front end, makes the Divo stand out, even in the world of hypercars. Number 3. Bugatti 110, a tribute to the iconic Bugatti EB110 from the 1990s. The 110 blends retro inspiration with modern engineering, boasting a 1,577 horsepower engine and a top speed of 236 mph. Its unique angular design sets it apart from any other Bugatti, making it a true collector's item. With only 10 units ever produced, the $9 million 110 is as rare as it is expensive. Number 2. Bugatti Chiron Profile, with a jaw-dropping price tag of $13.8 million. This one-off model blends the speed and luxury of the Chiron with a refined, elegant design tailored for true connoisseurs of the brand. With a top speed of 236 mph and a 1,479 horsepower engine, it combines performance with unparalleled exclusivity. Every inch of this car screams luxury, from the handcrafted interior to its sleek, aerodynamic body. The Profile is Bugatti's crown jewel, a true work of art on wheels. Number 1. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. And finally, the most expensive Bugatti in the world is Bugatti La Voiture Noire, a masterpiece priced at a staggering $18.9 million. Inspired by Bugatti's classic Type 57 SC Atlantic, this car is a modern interpretation of timeless elegance. La Voiture Noire, which translates to the black car, is an ode to the brand's history. With a 1,479 horsepower engine, it's not just about looks. It's a high-performance machine wrapped in stunning black carbon fiber. There's only one of these in the world, making it the ultimate luxury statement. From extreme speed to unmatched luxury, Bugatti continues to push the boundaries of what a car can be. These 5 masterpieces represent the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design, offering more than just transportation. They offer an experience like no other. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxurious content. And if you want us to make a video on any other topic, then please tell us by commenting. We will try our best to make a video on that topic. Thanks for watching this video.